When sharing data or models with someone else, it can get quite tedious. Well, in the past, it was quite tedious. You have to either make a 3D PDF, if you could make a 3D PDF out of it. Sometimes you had to buy special software, or you'd have to, send the whole thing to them. But, in doing that, you don't want people to see, the inner workings of your model. So you'd have to strip out a lot of stuff, or maybe send them the whole, but in a step file or an IGS file. So it was quite a tedious affair. Now, what Autodesk has done is they've created something called shared views. And you can very easily, from within Inventor, go and share a view with someone over the internet. And they won't even need to have a viewer or download a viewer to go look at it. You just send them a little email, a URL, and they will be able to open up in any internet browser that they've got. So to create a shared view from within Inventor, we go to the Collaborate tab at the end of here, and you'll see the shared views. Now I'll select shared views over here, and on the right-hand side, a shared views panel will pop up. And I'll say I want a new shared view. So selecting on that new shared view over there, it brings up the create shared view dialog box, and I'm saying, okay, right, there's the air filter. Would you like to hide the component names, yes or no, or hide the part properties as well? So I'm going to take those off to see what that looks like over there. So once I've done that, I click on share, and it now goes and shares it up to the internet for me. Here you can see that it's now just still uploading. So also depending on how quick your internet is, how quickly it will be able to upload that into the cloud. Okay, so now you can see that it has been successfully uploaded. And I've got two options down at the bottom over here. I can view in the browser or copy the link. So I'm going to go view in browser. And it will now go and open up my internet browser over here. And with this, I will be able to see the visualization file which it has created. It is a visualization file. I think it's a DWFX file that they've created, and see what's going on. Okay, so here you can see that I've uploaded my component to my shared views. Now, at the bottom over here, you'll see that I can zoom in or out, but I can do this, with my scroll mouse as well. Then I can also measure. So we can say, right, let's go measure from maybe this point to that point, and it's 45.2 millimeters. It also gives you my X, your Y, and your Z values as well. Then you can also go and section this view. Okay. So by sectioning the view, I can essentially go and see what's in over here. So, if this, this is, you are able to do this. So just please take a note that if you do not want any of your internal components to be seen, hide them. So, create a component or a view in Inventor that it doesn't allow you to go and check out, or it strips out the internal parts over there. We can also go and explode this view over as well. Okay, so explode. And just drag this, and you'll see how we can explode this out over here. Okay, so pretty neat, and this is all done straight from within Inventor. What you can also do with this as well is you can go create a screenshot of this, okay, and with the screenshot, or maybe take a markup. And with this markup over here, I can say, right, this needs to be stainless steel. And then save it. So that markup is also now then saved in your comments pick parts over here. So because we've got this this URL link over here, that one over there, I can share this with anyone that I want, and they can then go and take a look at this, as well as take a look at all the comments that have been made, and maybe add comments of themselves. So what we're doing here now is we're actually now tracking what gets said about this component when it comes to maybe ISO 9001 standards down the line. And that's how easy it is to basically take a component that you've got in Inventor, take it out as a shared view, and then give it to someone else on the web or somewhere else on the other end of the world. And all they need, as I said, is an internet browser, and they'll be able to see what is going on. Thank you very much for watching.